Hello everyone, welcome to Tech HD, and we are back with part 4 of 35 Must Know MS Word Basics for Beginners series. And if you haven't watched part 1, part 2 and part 3 of this series, I would strongly suggest you to watch those videos before getting into this, since it will have a better continuation and will give you a learning process if you are an absolute beginner. Okay, so with that, let's see the functions which we are going to discuss in this video. So we are planning to discuss on using insert, smart art and customizations, header and footer, page number, text box and videos and object, and the usage in MS Word. Okay, so as always, let's start from the first function, inserting smart art and its customizations. So smart art is nothing but a diagrammatical representation of our data. So everyone likes pictures or diagrams to be used in the document. So that's where the idea of smart art came into the picture. So to get into the smart art, go to insert. Here you find the smart art option. By clicking into it, you can find 100 plus smart arts which is readily available in MS Word. So you can choose anything. So here all the smart arts are available. It is segregated into list, process, cycle, hierarchy and so on. So just for a better understanding, let me pick any one smart art. So probably I will pick this simple one. So to bring in it, you need to double click the smart art. So here it is available. So you can just drag, you can increase the width, decrease it, you can go and type anything. So probably I will just type my channel name, TechHD MS Word tutorial. I'm just putting in some random stuff. So if you want to increase this blocks, you always have an option to increase it by using this add shape option. So if you click this add shape option, the block will increase. So as you click, it will increase. So you can increase as many blocks. So you can type training, beginner, so whatever. So if your list is more, okay. So like the same way, you can also change the color of this blocks. So if you want to change the color of it, double click it, and here within the blue shade you have multiple options. If and all you don't want to use the same blue color, you have this option to change color. So each block can be of different color. So as you see, each block will have its own different color. Or if you want a specific color but in a different shades, again you can use that. So there are multiple options. So as always, you can play around here. Again, always use smart arts wherever it is necessary. Please don't overuse it, because in a professional document, not many like it to the core, but use it wherever required. Probably you can use 2 to 3 smart arts in a 20-page document, but don't use 20 to 30 smart arts in a 20-page document. That's one of the recommendation I can put it to you. So I'll just delete it and we'll move on to the next function. I'll just keep it in the green color. Okay, and the second one is insert header and footer. Insert header and footer is one of the most important function which everyone wants to know it, because it will give a instant professional outlook to your document if you have included headers and footers. Trust me, it really works. Always try to include a header and footer in your document. So to include a header and footer, go to insert. Here you have an option, header. So click that options. So here you have multiple options, so you can choose any. So you have some design options also. Here you can have this design options, you can choose any. So just for this tutorial purpose, I'm just choosing this option. So here you can type whatever it is required. So in most of the cases, what will happen is, if you are say like in a scenario like you are submitting a resume, probably you can put like Microsoft certified, something like that, Microsoft certified. Or you can put what is a developer, Java developer. So whatever whatever you want to replicate in all the pages, you can use. Okay, so that is the use case of header and footer. whatever you are putting, whatever you're adding it in header and footer, it will get replicated in all the pages, and it will also be very uniform. All the pages will be equally formatted, and it will appear in the same way it is appearing in number 1 page and in the number 100th page, so whatever the number of pages. So probably here you can type your name. Let me just type my name. So this is how. And the option here you also have is how much distance it should be from the top of the page. So here they mentioned it as 1.25 centimeters, so it is approximately half an inch. Now if you want to increase it, you always have an option to increase it so that it will come down. So this is the distance here to here. What is the distance? So I'll stick with 1.25, the default one. So that's it. So this is how you will enter the header. So here you can go and close header and footer, or you can use the escape option. So anything will work. So now you have included the header. Now we also include the footer. So footer will be in the end of each page. Again, to include footer, go to insert, footer. So again you have all the options as we got it for header. So you can choose any one. So again I will choose the blank 3 columns. So again you can write anything here. So normally few things which is available here is the company name. So whatever the company name, again let me just put my channel name. Here all rights reserved. So these are all some of the few things which I have seen in my experience, but it again varies. It depends on the company's norms. So something here as confidential. That's it. So these are all few of the things which normally comes as part of the footers. Again, you have an option to increase the footer from the bottom of the page. So as you increase it, it will move up, and as you decrease it, it will move down. So now let's take it with 1.3. So again, to close this, you can have both the option. Let me just use this. So this is the first page. So let me just go to the second page to show how it is getting replicated. uh, I'm just using the enter button to go to the next page. Okay, so see, this is the first page. So this is where we actually included the header. The same header is replicated in the second page also. So this is how it will be uniformly replicated all the pages wherever you are going to include this. Okay, so that's it with insert header and footers, and I always recommend everyone to use header and footers in all the professional documents, especially, and all your resumes or wherever it is required. Okay, so with that we'll move on to the next function, insert page number. Select a page number, go to insert. Under header and footer you have a page number option. So under page number you have multiple options, whether the page number should appear in the top of the page, and within the top of the page you have multiple options, like just the number has to come, or it also accompanied by the name page, or you have multiple options. So this is one of the style. That's the you can find lot many styles under each type of the page. And again, if you want to place the page number in the bottom of the page, you have multiple options as like you had in the top of the page. So these are all some of the styles you can choose from. And if you want to keep it in the right side or in the left side, again you have multiple options. Let me just choose any one of the options. So probably I'll stick with the right. So as you see, it is available in the right side of the page. You can probably move up or down wherever you want to place it, because probably you might have content in the page. So if you want to keep it here, or even if you want to keep it here, wherever, it's up to us, we can choose it. So if we have chosen this is the place the page number is going to be, just put it there and double click it somewhere else, and you will find the page number is appearing in all the pages. So this is page 2. You have the footer, you have the header and the page number. So everything will get available. Okay, and it will be replicated in all the pages you are going to write. So this is the most important thing, because you don't want to write it as per the individual pages. You don't want to write the same thing for each and every page. the header, footer and the page number will get replicated to all the pages in your document. That is the most important use case of these three options. Okay, so I will make it as green. We are done with that, and we'll move to the next one, the insert text box. Insert text box is a very simple option. So go to insert. Here you have this text box option. Go to the drop down and you have multiple options. So this is a simple one. So these are all have some different borders, shades. So some styles are pre-built. So just for this tutorial purpose, I'll just select the simple text box. But as always, you can just play around. Okay. So the most important use case of using a text box is the pull-out option. So if you're working on a long document and if you want to highlight a specific content in a document, in magazines you could have seen the pull-out codes. So say like the whole page, there will be a content available in the whole page, but only one or two lines will be pulled out and it will be highlighted. So that's how you can show it in your document also. So just put it as welcome to Tech HD MS Word series. So this is how you can you can increase, decrease, you can change the color. You have all the options, so you can change the color as you like. You can do all sort of formatting as we already seen in previous videos. So anything, it's up to you. So you can do all sort of formatting, and also you can keep it anywhere. So anywhere in the document is possible. So this is a very simple option, but it is a very useful option when you're creating especially when you're creating a document which is containing all the contents alone without much of pictures or flowcharts or even Smartarts for that matter. Okay, so let me just delete it. So we are done with insert text box. So I'll make it as green. And the last one, insert videos and object. So this is one of the query requested by one of the viewer in the last video. So how to insert a video. So to insert a video, there are two options actually. So one, you can insert an online video into your document. The other option is to insert an offline video or the downloaded video which is available in your local system into the document. So both are possible. So the first option, let me show how to include or embed an online video into the your document. To embed an online video, go to insert. So here you have an option called online video. So select that. So here what you need to do is you need to include that URL. So URL may be from a YouTube or from Dropbox or G Drive or Vimeo or whatever the video player. But the only thing is you need to have that URL which is directly placing it to that video content which you would like to embed into this document. So I will just try to include one of my video. So this is the part 1 of this series. So I'm just selecting this YouTube link, Control C, and here I'm pasting it, Control V, and I'm inserting it. So you can see how it is appearing in the document. So this is what I was meant to be, how to embed it. So again, you can increase it, decrease it, and if you're forwarding it after you complete all the other work, once you are sharing this document with anyone, they can also view the same video. So they can just click this and it will appear like this. So this is a YouTube video, so they can just watch it without getting into the YouTube or without opening their browser. So they can just watch it from your document itself. So this is the way to include a online video. Okay, so I'll just delete it. So I will also show you how to include a offline video. So for that or the offline video or any documents like PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint or any document. So how to embed. So let me show you that. So go to the insert option, go to this option. So object. So it is a very here it is showing it as a very small icon, but it is one of the powerful option available in Word. So go to this object, go to create from file. Okay, so create from file, go to browse. So here you can embed any document whatever you want to embed. So I'm just trying to embed any document. So let me just try to embed this Gartner Magic Quadrant. So and I'm choosing display as icon. So this is a PDF document and it is automatically choosing a PDF logo. So I'm clicking OK. So here it is getting embedded, so you can just type anything as you like. I check this out. So something like that. You don't want to share multiple files with the viewer. Rather, you can just share one file but include multiple documents into the file. So the end user can double click this document and that document will get open like this. So this is the document which we embedded into this MS Word. So without sharing multiple file, we are just sharing one file, one Word document, but embedding multiple documents. Say like I just embedded one document, but you can also embed 10 documents, 100 documents, 1000 documents, whatever. So it's up to you. The sky is the limit. As I always say, the sky is the limit. So you can go and do embed whatever the document. And I will also try to embed one of the video content, one of the offline video content. So again the same option, object, create from file, browse. So let me just select any one video. Okay, so this is the video. Kichdy intro is a .mp4 file, so it's a video. So this is how it works. Okay, so it is a video file, it is an offline video file, and I can embed that. And again the same way, so just like embedding a document, a PDF or a Word or Excel, you can also embed an offline video into the Word document. So yeah, I think have covered all the 5 functions which is planned for today's session. So I'll also make this as green. So with that we come to the end of this session. We will go through part 5, part 6 and part 7 as the upcoming sessions, in the upcoming sessions. Okay, so with that, thank you, bye, stay safe, thank you.
சின்ன சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ, பாய்.